In this After Effects tutorial, we'll see how to create the viral glow reveal text animation. Let's get started. First, select the text tool and quickly type some text. Then, copy this text using the Ctrl-D shortcut. Close the eye of the top layer, select the bottom layer, and add a mask using the rectangle tool. Activate the mask path keyframe. Go forward a few seconds and leave the keyframe as it is. Return to the first keyframe and adjust the mask path like this. Select the keyframes and apply Easy Ease. Set the speed graph to make the first keyframe very fast and the last keyframe very slow. Set the mask feather value to 45. Now close the eye of the bottom layer and open the eye of the top layer. Add the CC light sweep effect to the text on the top layer. Let's set the direction to 0, the width to 100, the edge intensity to 60, and the edge thickness to 7. Let's also select Cutout as the light reception. Let's adjust the color as desired, for example, green. Now let's add the glow effect. Let's set the threshold to 85 and the radius to 120. Let's copy the glow effect. Let's set the radius to 60. Let's copy another glow effect. Let's set the radius to 100, the threshold to 60, and the intensity to 0.7. Let's also set the threshold of the second glow effect to 60. Now let's start the center keyframe of the light sweep effect and set its center point like this. At the second where the last mask keyframe is, let's set the center point of the light sweep effect like this. Let's open the eye of the lower layer. To see the keyframes, press the U shortcut. Let's select the keyframes of the text in the top layer and give them an easy-to-use effect. Open the graph editor and set the speed graph of the keyframes, making the first keyframe very fast and the last keyframe very slow. Perfect. If you want to change the color, you can choose the light color from the light sweep effect as you like. If you've watched this far, don't forget to share your thoughts about the video and like it. Subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos. See you in the next videos.